Hey, what's going on? It's Paul Farmer from paulgfarmer.com. And today I'm going to be talking to you about how to make sales daily on your Facebook profile. And honestly, this is just super exciting because flat out works to begin with. And you don't need money to make money, which is awesome, right? So in the past, I've done many different free strategies. And typically free strategies, the thing with free strategies is they work, but they take a lot of time and they take a lot of effort. Let's let's just be real. They take a lot of effort. Like, for example, if you're blogging, blogs are going to take probably 6 months to a year before you really start seeing some good results. Videos can take a while. You have to do them consistently. Twitter takes a while to build up. Instagram takes a while to build up. LinkedIn takes a while to build up, So it can take a while to really start seeing the fruits of your labors. And a lot of the time, a lot of people will just flat out stop doing it because they don't see the results quick enough and they believe it doesn't work. But what I'm so excited to share with you is a very simple strategy that I've been doing for, I think it's about 3 weeks now, that quite literally has me making sales daily right off my Facebook profile and has really, really changed the way my profile was when it comes to Facebook engagement. So the very first thing that you want to do if you want to make sales daily. So there's some different ways. There's the hard way to do this. There's the easy way to do this. Now the hard way is to go out and message everybody you don't know, right? And try to strike up a conversation and find out if there's a need that they have and offer them a solution, i.e. your business, right? Or your product or whatever it is you're doing. That's the hard way because that's very time consuming. That's very, you're basically the hunter, right? You're going out and you're looking for people to connect with, and it can be very intimidating for many different people. Most people don't want to do this kind of thing, and a lot of people really don't like that you do it in the first place. So it's not really the best way to do it. It does work over time, but again, you really have to have the right mindset. You really have to be determined. You need to learn to be disconnected from the outcome, have no emotional ties to it. So when people reject you, it's like, oh, no big deal, whatever. And unfortunately, most people are unable to do that. They get rejected and that's it. That's all it takes and they're done, right? And believe you me, I've been rejected. I couldn't even tell you how many times. And I finally got to the point where it doesn't matter, if you're passionate about what you're doing, you want to get it out. But now I'm going to tell you the easy way. Okay. So the easy way or the easier way, because I really hate saying easy because what it means to so many people, the context of it. But the easier, the simpler method is to attract people to you. Attract people to you. And that's a whole different energy because now when people are coming to you, you're not going to them. You become the hunted, not the hunter. Different energy. Very different, especially when it comes to sales, because now people want what you have. They want to know what you're doing and how you're doing because you're attractive to them, right? You have something they want. So that is what I'm going to talk about today. That is how you make sales daily off your profile, okay? So very first thing you want to do is you want to create an attractive profile. So if I scroll up, I'll just scroll up, okay? Now, I didn't do anything fancy on my profile. I literally just put a picture up. I'm just going to go over just a few things here. You want to have a picture that's bright. You want to have a picture that fits. You don't want the head cut off. You don't want any of that, right? But just something that's attractive, that says success or that you're fun just something like that. Many people go and get their own banners made, their own headers made, and brand themselves. I haven't done that yet. I am just using this because, frankly, I love the beach. The beach is my sanctuary, so to speak. And I believe this was taken, can't remember if it was Grand Cayman or, oh man, it was one of those places. I think it was was it Grand? It might have been Grand Cayman. I honestly can't remember which one that was. Either Grand Cayman, Jamaica. It wasn't Jamaica, I don't believe. But anyway, it was a place on the Caribbean somewhere. I just can't remember where I took that picture. And then there's a picture of my wife and myself, me smiling, right? You definitely want that. You can put yourself, I put my wife. That I don't think matters as much. But yeah, typically, but you want to make sure it's of you. You are in the picture. You are seen, not your dog, not your cat, not your flowers, not a baby. You get the drift, and make sure it's clear. It's not dark. If it's, I've seen some where they're so dark you can't even see the person, or it's just a terrible picture. They're not even looking at the camera. It's Facebook for a reason, right? And you just want to create something that's very attractive, fill out all the bio and all that. But I'm not going to spend a ton of time on that. I just want to show you kind of the results of what's happened from following this very simple strategy. And I'm just going to tell you where you can get a full training that walks you through step by step exactly how to do this so you can start doing this yourself. And I really want to show you just how fast this has happened and explain how it becomes monetized. Okay, so how you monetize it. So I scroll back, all right? So here is September 8th. Here's Grant Cardone. I follow Grant Cardone. I've read pretty much every book he's done, whatever. But I put a post up. He's doing a webinar. This is before I started the strategy, okay? So before, 12 likes. Pitiful. Not good, right? Before that, 38, 8. This is before the strategy. 12, and two comments. Really not a whole lot going on here, right? It's very, I still was making sales, but not like I do now with the engagement I get now, okay? So now we're going to move up. And I'm going to show you how this kind of just built, okay? So I started following this strategy. I got my hands on this training, and I right away started following the strategy. And as you can see, 49 plus likes, 15 comments, 1 share. That was the very first day. Those numbers aren't huge. They're not like, they're not going to capture too much attention, honestly, but it's still decent. It was improving. We got 63, 18 comments. That's on a results post. That's one of the income vehicles I have. And I just put up a post showing $400 commissions over and over. And typically the results posts get like really bad engagement. And this one got over 63. So it's improving, Another post, just a motivational thing. Over 82 likes, 17 comments, 2 shares. We're getting better. And you can see just how fast this is. This is like within 4 days now. I'm 4 days into this. 92, almost 100 there. 14 comments. That's a lifestyle post. Just went on a run with my family, a 5K run. I'm not a runner, but wanted to support my wife and decided to go ahead and went and did that. It was for cancer research, so it was good for a good cause. Then we had see, it's growing. So we're at, where was I at here? 92, and this one is just about the same. 23 comments, and then boom. Okay, so what date's this? The 18th. I started on the 11th. So 7 days into this, and I'm nearly at 200 likes on this post, 37 comments, and 4 shares. So can you see just how fast this actually occurs? How fast this actually starts growing? And to be honest with you, I wasn't really doing as much as I could have been doing on this profile because I actually have another profile. I was focused more on that, but I decided to come back over here and do this one. So within a week, I've gotten to this level. Okay, so now we're moving on. And may I say, never, ever, ever 6+ years marketing have I ever got this kind of engagement on Facebook. And I've been through, I don't know how many courses on Facebook. They just never taught this kind of stuff. So I was never able to do it. Didn't matter how many posts I put up. Didn't matter what kind of post. My engagement always sucked. It was always terrible. Okay. And I'd given up. Honestly, I'd given up on engagement. I said, forget it. I'm never going to get there. And I gave up on it. I just was doing other things. This one has over 246 comments, 3 shares. Here's a lifestyle post, over 169 likes, 49 comments. As you can see, it's pretty consistent. This one is 179, 54 comments. This one is a lifestyle, about 190 likes, 23 comments. This one here, 284, 92 comments, 2 shares. 270, 73, 2 shares. 270, guys, 270. Again, I never had that before. This one is over 400 now. Over 400. Never in my wildest dreams did I ever expect to hit that. 106 comments, 21 shares. That means that's being shared all over the place with my name on it. Okay, so that's powerful. That's absolutely powerful. Going up, here's a results post I put up from my wealth vehicle. And usually, like I showed you before, the results posts don't get great engagement. This thing, over 245 likes, 81 comments, 3 shares. This one is 348 likes, 85 comments, 6 shares. So as you can see, this absolutely works. 254, 81, 3 shares. Okay. And then today's, I just put this one up, and that's all there is. Okay. So now I've caught you up. Now, how do we get sales from this? So here's the deal. The majority of people out there don't know how to do this. The majority of people on Facebook, and it doesn't take you long to find this. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to bash anybody's name or anything like that. But the majority of people out there, network marketers, online marketers, it doesn't matter. Realtor, it doesn't matter. They don't know how to get this kind of engagement. Would they like to have this kind of engagement? Would it benefit their business? Absolutely. The more people you have coming to see who you are, absolutely, that's going to benefit your business. So right away, if you know how to do this, if you know how to get this kind of engagement, if you know how to get your page to look very attractive, like you are a leader, the attractor factor, if you know how to do that and you can help other people do that, that is how you monetize this. That is how you earn income, because you have something of value that can help them. So if you're in a network marketing business, if you're in an online business, whatever business you're in, this is definitely going to benefit you because you now are offering value. And it's not something where you're trying to bring them into a network marketing business, because let's face it, people in a business, they don't really want to join in our business. What they want to do is they want help with what they are doing. So that is how you start earning with this strategy. You basically share what you're doing. And it just so happens that this course that I'm referring to, that I'm using, it has an affiliate program. You can earn commissions from it, which is awesome. Now, what if you're in a network marketing business? Could you use this? Absolutely, you could use this. You could also attract people into your business by doing so and let them know, hey, I'm going to teach you our strategy. And then now we're going to have duplication because your teammates are doing this. They're getting engagement. They're having people come over to them, being attracted to them, not having to go chase them, which is, that's a whole lot less intimidating than them having to go out and talk to people they don't know. If the person's coming to them, that's a whole lot easier. That's a whole different story. Especially if you have scripts and everything to follow that work. Okay. So that is how you make sales daily with your Facebook profile. It's absolutely free, easy to do, 1 to 2 hours a day. And and you're going to start seeing results almost immediately. Almost immediately. We saw it literally the first day employing the strategy, and it keeps getting better and better. So it's very exciting. And what is best about this strategy is it's doing what is based on fundamental principles. You know, attract people to you, connect with them, find a problem, offer them a solution. So if you could solve a problem that many people have, and I'm telling you, the majority of people on Facebook have this problem, then it makes it very easy for you to start earning. And you can earn sales every single day by doing what's taught, okay? So if you want to get your hands on this training, I absolutely don't know why you wouldn't, to be honest. But if you want to, it's going to be right below this video. Just click the link right below the video, and you'll be able to go ahead and get that training. I'll just let you know straight up, I'm a real guy. It's $97 one time. Only $97 one time. Pays you 50% commissions. You really can't go wrong, okay? So with that, that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day. See you next time.